Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix grayscale or black and white screen on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this black and white screen, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements, and in VN enhancements scroll down and click on color correction. Now here you will see a on off button on top. So to fix this black and white or grayscale screen, turn off this button, and after turning off this button your screen will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the grayscale or black and white screen on Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.